everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a sweet potato brownie. I've been intrigued by these for a little while. I'd often wondered if they would turn out or not, and these actually turned out way better than I thought they would. I actually renovated a recipe from, I think it was Detoxinista. Detoxinista is a food blog, and she has a paleo sweet potato brownie, and I just AIP'd it. I made a couple little, I made several changes, but then I made a couple little tweaks, but hers was the recipe that I sort of was inspired by. And I'll put the link to her blog down below. She does some really yummy stuff over there. But this one is completely AIP Elimination Phase Compliant. I hope that you like it as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get baking. Okay everybody, welcome back. I'm back with a taste test. Asher couldn't join me today, so I'm just doing this one on my own, but this is the sweet potato brownie. I'll show you what it sort of looks like. Now you'll note in the recipe I put some unsweetened carob chips in it. Only if you can find AIP friendly ones. They're really hard to find. Or you can make your own carob chips or just do chunks of carob, and I think I can show you that in that's in my ice cream video actually, the magic shell that I use. You can use that same recipe, or in the peanut butter cup recipe, use that one, and you can just do that and then just chop it up and put it throughout. You also, these don't need it at all. I just happen to have some left over that I wanted to use up, so I used them in this, but totally optional to do that. Let's give it a try. These make me so happy. These are completely coconut free if you make your tiger nut butter with avocado oil instead of coconut oil. So if you want to do that, I made this batch that way. I also made them with the coconut oil tiger nut butter. Both turned out really, really nice. I really like these a lot. They're as good, if not better, than the original brownie on this channel. I would just say they're richer, they're much more flavorful. You really just need a very small one, and that batch makes a small little dish, but honestly you get about 16 brownies out of that. 2-inch or so really is all you need. It's very, very sweet. These are perfect for Valentine's Day or just for a sweet treat to have anytime. So I hope you like these as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video. Mm.